Hey guys, Krazak here. I'm going to take you through the building process for the 4 tamper base using the Sketchup program. I'm fairly new to it, so just bear with me. It might be a bit clumsy. I've gone ahead and I've put together the different stages of the building process, and I'll open them up now. So first step is getting the ground tampers down. What I normally do is I line them up with the road or something like that, and then that gives me the same orientation for each of the tampers. And then when placing them, you want to place a large shelter down. You have two large shelters in the inventory. You place them down, and you just want to make sure that you can place one like this, and then you can place another one on the other tamper like that. And as long as they allow you to place, then you're fine. You just do that all the way around the tamper. Um, so yeah, so and then you can once you're happy with that, then you just pick these guys up. Yeah, just pick them up, and then you're back to that stage. All right. Now stage two. What we want to do here is you just put gates around all of the tampers just to secure them. You want to do all the gates before you do any buildings. At the front here we have two walls. That's just a This is going to be the front entrance of the base. We just have walls there so that they can't see through the gap in the gates. If you had two gates there, there'd be a gap there that they can see through easily, so the walls just close that gap a bit. Okay, stage three. Just get those 4 shelters back in their place. All the doors facing inwards. This allows you the tampers all to be sealed. Stage 5 is just going. Oh, must be stage 4. Sorry. Stage 4 is just going around the base and just putting all of the large shelters in like so. Um, these are all large shelters and all the doors are facing inwards. It just gives you a wall of large shelters around your base, and then at the front gate we have the large shelters that just form like a corridor, and all the doors again facing inwards. And here as well. So all the doors are accessible. Next step 5 is just we're adding exactly the same, just adding upper large shelters all in the same spot as their lower level shelters. Give you a bit more protection and security, so people can't see into your base too much. Privacy and stuff. 6. Now we're looking at we place the deck foundation in the back like this. So that's the deck foundation there. We use the back wall of shelters to kind of line up to get so that the shelter was lined up with them perfectly. Oh, sorry, the deck foundation. Um, and then it was just trial and error. We're placing that the deck foundation, and then we're making sure that this expansion here, it doesn't cut into these large shelters. And you want it to so that when you put the gates down, that the gates are still placeable. If the deck expansion goes into these shelters here, then the gates won't be able to be placed. So it was just a bit of trial and error. We got it once we got it in the perfect spot, then we're able to add the expansion here and here, and we get our ramps down like that. The next part is just putting more gates up on the deck foundation. You can see here that we have the double gates here and also here. That's from the tamper and the gates on the deck foundation. And you can also see here that when you open that gate, there'll be like a door behind it. That's pretty cool too. You've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 of those. We should have one there too. Just can't see it for some reason. Yeah, that would be one as well. Alright, that's pretty much it. It gives you I haven't completed this yet. We have a roof here, just to give us a bit more protection in our driveway. You can we put some buildings in here too, just to gives a bit more privacy in the base. From because we got over here where the mouse is, we've got a big hill overlooking our base. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.